Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate velvet spray. This unique technique allows you to create a stunning, soft, and elegant finish on your desserts. It's a professional method that transforms ordinary cakes and pastries into visually striking creations, adding a touch of sophistication to any sweet treat. We'll cover everything from ingredients to application for perfect results. To begin, gather your key ingredients. Good quality chocolate, whether dark, milk, or white, and pure cocoa butter. A common and effective ratio is 60% chocolate to 40% cocoa butter. For equipment, you'll need a reliable spray gun, a precise thermometer to monitor temperatures, and a fine mesh sieve to ensure a smooth, clog-free mixture. These tools are crucial for achieving the desired velvet texture. Once your ingredients are measured, gently melt the chocolate and cocoa butter together. You can use a microwave or a double boiler, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. Continue mixing until the blend is completely smooth and uniform, with no lumps. The critical step is to heat this mixture to an exact temperature of 45 degrees Celsius before pouring it into your preheated spray gun. This temperature is vital for proper atomization and texture. For the perfect velvet effect, your dessert must be deeply frozen, ideally at -18 degrees Celsius. This thermal shock is essential for the texture to form correctly. Hold your preheated spray gun about 15 to 20 centimeters from the surface. Apply the mixture in thin, even coats using smooth, continuous up and down motions. Avoid lingering in one area to prevent a thick, peeling layer. Clean your spray gun immediately after use for longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.